Okay. This is TPLink Kasa Smart Light Bulb, the one with the multicolor option. So this is a Wi-Fi smart bulb. It works with IFTT, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. Okay. On the right of this box, so this is what it returns. So you require to download Kasa Smart app, available on both Apple App Store and Google Play Store. You need to be running on iOS 10 or above, or Android 5.0 and above. You're only able to connect to Wi-Fi network via the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. So you have 5 GHz running or any other than the 2.4 GHz, you won't be able to connect this device. Another thing you have to take note is you are not able to use the dimmers with this device. So on the left of this box, okay, so the first thing you will see is the multicolor option, as I mentioned before. There's no hub required since it's connected through the Wi-Fi network. You can control from anywhere via the Kasa Smart app. Voice control is via Google Assistant, Microsoft Cortana, and you have auto white. I will show that what it means in the app. Okay, so on the back of this box, so you schedule your lights. The energy setting is A+. You have 25,000 hour life. So that's a lot of hour life. So at the top, yes, nothing. And at the bottom, okay, just have a model number and a version number. And if I zoom in to the specs, so make sure it's E27 fitting is the bulb tie at the bottom where you screw your bulb. It's E27. You use 10 watts. Okay, 10 watts. What's inside the box is just a smart light bulb and a quick start guide. And there's nothing much other than this. So let's unbox the box. So it's a quick start guide. And there's some steps what to do. You can see here. And the back is nothing. So this is the bulb. The original box, there will be a plastic. So the bulb will be inside a plastic. So since I unboxed this box before, this don't have a plastic. So this is how the bulb look like. It's made of plastic. is a design. And this one is written here. So there's a serial number here below the QR code. And that's all. Okay, so this is the setting up part of the video. So I have put the lamp on, I put the bulb on the lamp already. So first of all, you have to download the Kasa app. So you have to go to the App Store and download the Kasa app, Kasa Smart app. After you have downloaded, you can have to open up the Kasa app. Just allow the local. Just add in the device. Add the plus icon, device. Then select smart lights. There are a few other options, of course. They have different models. So you select smart lights. Then you click OK. You can allow one. I'm going to allow once. It's up to you what permission you want to give towards the app. Smart lights. So mine is the KL130, as I mentioned it. So you just select the smart bulb under the first option here. Then you click on, you have to install, as I already mentioned. I have installed the smart bulb to my lamp. You just have to click next from here. If you notice, you need to have a blinking light when you turn on. So I'm going to turn on my lights. So I have turned it on. So I can press on next. You have to connect to the Wi-Fi. So just go to the TPLink smart bulb. Once you have connected, click I'm already connected. So you're going to connect. And select on my Wi-Fi. Click on join. And you will start to change different colors. Okay, I'm just going to set the device name. I'm just going to put test as for now. Select the default and okay. So let me turn on and off. You can turn off from here. And you can set different colors. Under color options, there's different kind of colors. And the brightness, of course. You can set the white balance. So this is the brightest, the white, then you can go to the yellowish color. So you can set the preset. This is like a default. You can like a shortcut, like something like shortcuts, set for colors, and the white same thing, and this is the brightness. So to access that, set the preset menu, and also it shows the recent. You just have to tap here. You can see the presets. And you can see, go to the settings. So this is default states. So this one, when you power on from the app itself, you have the default state settings, what it will be, depending what you set here. If you set to red, when you power on from the app, it will turn to red automatically. There also a power source, so something is really useful. When you click on the main switch, if you click power on, you will go to the default what you set. Okay, that's all for the TPLink KL130.